Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to automatically extract phone numbers from contact details in Google Sheets. To do this, you first need to add an extension. To install, go to the top menu and click on Extensions. Then, from the drop-down, click on Add-ons and select Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace in a pop-up window. In the search bar at the top right, type GPT for Sheets and press Enter. From the search results, install this. In this tutorial, I already have it installed, but on your end, there is an Install button at the bottom right part. Click this and follow the instructions on the screen to complete the setup. Once it's installed, you can open it by going back to the Extensions menu at the top. Hover over the extension you will use, then click Open. To automatically extract phone numbers from contact details, we will use the GPT extract function. For this example, we will use sample raw contact info. First, click on the cell where you want to put the phone number, then type this formula, =GPT_extract, open a round bracket, then click the cell containing the corresponding contact details, type comma, double quotation marks, phone number, double quotation marks, then type close round bracket. Press Enter and after a few moments, the extension will automatically extract the phone number from the contact details. I will not do this for the rest of the data because it takes up some loading time, but if you want to apply this for all the data, click the cell with the formula and hover over to the bottom right corner of the cell where you see a small blue circle until your cursor transforms into crosshairs. Click the circle and drag down. Google Sheets will copy the formula until you stop dragging, and the results will show in the respective cells. So, that is how you automatically extract phone numbers from contact details in Google Sheets. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.